Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to change your country on Google Play Store. If you're wondering how to change, your country on Google Play Store because maybe a certain restrictions, then this video is for you. So first of all, open the Play Store app, open the Play Store app, then tap on your profile. So tap on your profile, tap on the profile icon, then select payment and subscription. Payment and subscription. Then select payment methods. So in here, scroll down and select more payment settings. More payment settings. So it will redirect you to your browser and it will open a Google payment site for you. Yeah, so in here, tap on the settings. Select the settings and scroll down to the payment profile. Scroll down to the payment profile and you realize the country or region. Tap on the pencil behind to edit it and tap on the create new profile. Tap on the continue. Yeah, so just select the country that you want to change. Select the country that you want to change, Yeah, and after you are done selecting the country, just tap on the continue. And that's it. You successfully changed your Google Play Store country. So that's how simple and easy it is. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.